In this video, I want to show you how to do cold calling and selling your AI agent to any service-based businesses such as real estate agent, chiropractor, hair salon. But in this video, I'm going to use real estate agent as an example. Just some clarification here, guys. We're going to show you how to do prospecting just using Google Maps and how to find decision maker phone number. This is why I like real estate agent, because you can actually find director, sales manager, CEO phone number just on their website alone from Google Maps. So it's very easy. Now, with all of that, I still want to say this is probably not the best way to actually get clients. We do teach people how to acquire lists easier using Upwork and get AI agent to call them directly and sell itself, or running Facebook ads to get high intent and high paying buyer to actually pay for the AI agent service. The reason why I'm making this video is to show you that cold calling still works if you don't have any money to spend on ad and you really start from ground zero. And it's also a very effective tool to sharpen your sales skill. Eventually, even if you run ad and you do buy lists, you still need to get on a call and actually sell to the people and get them over that fence. So without further ado, enjoy this video. This stage, we're gonna go real estate agent in Sydney, but again, you can choose from any other industry. And you want to look for one of these who doesn't have a website yet, like this guy, Upside Realty, have a 4.9 star review. Now the phone number here in Australia, 1,800, is not going to lead to any one phone number. What you're looking for in Australia, you're looking for a 04 phone number. So this one, see, check their size. We can say their size out of date. This is actually a well-built site, so it's probably not this is, you know, this is really well-built website, so I'm not gonna go in and say, oh, your website is out of date. If you look harder, so I'm just gonna keep that one around, because with these guys, we can sell them AI agents that can do outbound call that generate more lead for them. Okay, so property, Ray White, Sydney. Ray White is good, I know. I've been in this game for quite some time. I'm looking for smaller agency who might need website, but even if they don't have website, we can just like cold call and sell AI agents. You want to find like one good phone number. Oh, this is Bianca is the founder. As a founder, board agency. So okay, I can try her. She is the founder. I'm not like my personality type. I'm not too good speaking with women, especially like woman CEO. Hey Bianca, it's Vico. How you been?
I'm good. How are you?
Not too bad. I'm just on your website right now. You're a buy agent, right? And you help like across Australia, or just like in the state?
It depends on what you're after. Are you looking to use services?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, not yet. But what we're doing right now, Bianca, we kind of looking for a couple of buy agents in Australia that we want to partner up with our AI agent software.
Do you want to send me an email? I'm actually just ducking into an appointment, but I'd be super interested to hear more about it. I just don't have much time on the phone.
Okay, sure. Look, I can send. Is it the one on the website? That's your email?
It sure is. Yeah,
okay.
It is.
Okay, cool. But just want to make sure, are you currently using any AI agent to like get lead and get appointment right now?
No.
And that's something that you're interested in?
Not really a yes or a no. Like, we have enough work, you know what I mean? So we're not really like, we don't need, look, I've got to go, but send me an email and I'll get back to you, I promise.
Okay, I mean, like, if you're not interested anyway, we'll probably, you know, no need. I just don't want to add another email to your spam, that's all.
All right, no worries. Well, thank you. I appreciate the call.
All right, thanks. She was like traveling or something. It was like cutting in and out. I couldn't hear her. And she wasn't interested. And I didn't have the opportunity to handle that objection because that was really rough. That was really rough.
Hello, Frank speaking.
Hey Frank, it's Vico. How you been?
Yeah, good. Sorry, who is this?
Vico Khan?
Sorry, I can't remember. What's it about?
That's okay, bro. We spoke a while back. I'm just on your website right now, Frank. I'm confused. Like, are you more like a seller agent or like buy agent, or you do like both?
Oh, seller agent. Yeah.
Oh, so so you do like listing and appraisal and all that stuff.
Yeah, that's right. Absolutely. Yeah, we don't have buyer service at the moment. Yeah. Is there anything I can help or we can
No,
help?
that's cool, man. We're looking for a couple of seller agent in Adelaide right now to partner up with our AI agent program where we help them generate listing and appraisal through AI
Yeah.
agent.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably like looking at 10, 5-10 extra appraisal per month if that what you can handle.
Oh yeah. We have a sales team that's 5 people now, and yeah, definitely we can. Yeah.
Okay, so are you currently using AI right now? It's an AI agent program where the agent gonna be acting on your behalf and booking appraisal for you, if that makes sense.
Yeah, but how much you charge then? If you're testing, I don't want to pay you anything until you get a result. But I'm happy to do a commission card if you like.
Well, it's depend, man. It's depend on like how much the agent gonna be calling for you. But yeah, it's like what's your situation right now? Can I ask you some questions? Just make sure that like this like it's a good fit. That's all.
Yeah, our team now is just building a very traditional prospecting culture and just calling all the inquiry log and try to generate any opportunities. Yeah, just tell me how it works, like what the business model. Yeah.
Well, bro, can you speak slower? It's kind of hard to understand you. So you're saying your team?
Just tell me what the value of your system and what you can help me and how much you charge and how does it work.
We have different price range, man. Like we have anything between a few $100 to a few $1,000. But like really, what the AI agents do is it's gonna go into your database and it's gonna cold call or even text people for you to either find buyer or seller. So it works both ways.
No, is there something we used Rita before? Like, is there?
No. That's not the same as Rita. We know Rita, so Rita only do texting. The AI agent that we do is actually calling and is using your own voice. So it's like making a clone copy of your voice so that you can like spend time.
No. I'm not interested. I'm not gonna let you guys access my database. That's no way to do that. If you can generate any fresh prospecting, like a new opportunity, just let me know. I'm happy to do commission card if we get the deal done. Yeah, like a local agent funder. That's a lot easier. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you don't have a database?
We do have a database, about 20,000 people in the database, but there's no way you can access and use the AI to call. It doesn't make sense.
Right?
Oh
yeah, makes sense.
I'm saying that if you have any, like a local agent funder, you have lead sent to us and we'll get it done and we'll give you a commission card. Easy, simple.
Yeah, we can help you generate a list as well. We can call outside your list, but so are you currently manually calling all your lists right now? 20,000 people?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we're having quite a lot. That's their foundation skill. They have to code. Yeah. Because I don't want to talk to you anymore. Just if you want to send me more information, I'll send you my email, and then otherwise, just that's it.
Okay. Like, what do you want to see in the email?
Yeah, I'll send you my email address.
What do you want me to put in the email?
Like how much you charge, what are the results you can guarantee, something like that.
We don't really charge anything right now. I'm just like trying to find like if this is something that we can help you with. That's all.
Just find me some leads. Give me some general appraisal first. Yeah, if you can send me a contact of anyone, yeah.
We can generate appraisal, but it have to be outside your database.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So we can't use anything inside your database.
Yeah, I understand. If you want to do that, that's totally fine. Yeah.
So I'm sorry, can we use it or we can't use it?
You cannot use our database. You cannot.
Okay, and you're happy with manually calling 20,000 people? You're happy with that?
Yes, that's right. Yes, we're happy.
You don't think that's an you don't think that's an inefficiency in the system, like where you just...
No. I don't believe. Tell me who you helped and what the result you ever have. Just let me know.
Yeah, I mean, we have a couple of real estate agents, man. Like it's just help them automate. Huh?
Who are they?
Hardcore, LJ Hooker, Ray
Which
White.
office?
Huh?
Which office?
We got. I mean, obviously they have like many office, but we've got a couple of guys in Adelaide.
Okay, let's just finish the conversation now. If you send me some information via email and you go to my email address on WhatsApp and then let me have a look. Okay? Yeah,
what do you want to see in the email? Like I don't have any pricing because I don't know which gonna work for you.
Okay, can we stop the conversation now?
Well, it's up
Yeah,
to you,
I'm gonna-
man. It's your phone.
Yeah.
You can hang
Yeah.
up anytime, right? Fuck, this guy is rude. He's not respectful like other people.
One eternity later.
Any user, or is it possible to have more of like the prospecting side of things, generating call lists,
Yeah.
as well as like preparing campaigns to go online, that sort of stuff.
Yeah, that's what I just said with the AI agent. That's what it do. So it
Oh,
does
that's
generate
what it
lead.
does.
It does generate lead
Yeah.
and prospect for you, but it also
Okay,
can
okay.
take call and answering question as a
okay.
receptionist. So you can do both
Okay.
as a receptionist role and both
Yeah.
as a call center role, if that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I follow now. Sorry.
So from what I hear, you're not too interested on the receptionist, but you're more interested in the call center role.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we do. Do you have a list for it to call, like API data list?
No. So my question is, would they just like, are they able to generate the list, or is that something I need to do?
Well, like to generate the list, like to generate the appointment or the interest, you need the list, right? And the list you can get from API data.
I generate the list and then the AI calls through the list. Is that right?
Yeah, we actually help people do that to a certain extent. Generating a list, we can do it through Facebook ad, Meta ad. But that's, it's like, $5, $10 or even $15 per lead. So it's not really that. But if you buy from API data, it's like, you get like thousands of lists at one go from API data.
Yeah.
Or a lot of real estate agents, they have their own existing list, right?
Okay.
So it's really the AI agent is not to generate, the AI agent job is not to generate lists, but it can converting the list into more of a warmer and hotter prospects. That's what the AI agent will do.
Okay.
Do you understand the job? Like, do you understand its job now, or and the outcome
Yeah.
it can
Yeah.
do?
Yeah. No, I'm following now. Okay.
So what list are we working with here with you?
Sorry,
Like,
what was that? Could you repeat that?
what's the source of your list right now? If we were to deploy a campaign of AI agent with you, what's the source of your list?
It'd be mostly orphan data. That wouldn't be warm data. It'd be sort of clearing out old buyers from 10-year-old campaigns to see if they own a home, if they bought a home, and if they'd like an updated valuation because they're 10 years old, so they're due for one.
How big is the list?
I was looking at it the other day. It's a bit over 4,000.
4,000. They're all like in the same city, same state?
Yeah, they'll all be in and around Coburg. They'll all be in Victoria. There must be some interstate investors mixed into that, but it'd be vast majority would be in Victoria.
Are
I reckon
you
90 to 95% of it would be Victorian phone numbers.
are you in Victoria?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, and how do you obtain those lists?
I'd have to talk to our IT team, but I'd argue I could probably export it to an Excel spreadsheet.
No. How, like, do you buy the list or you obtain it through?
No, I've already owned that data.
Okay, yeah. Just for legal reason, we have to ask you. Like, we can call and we can text code lists as well. Like, code lists meaning like you don't, like, they never know you and you never own them.
Yeah.
We can do that as well, but it's just different type of messaging and legal compliances that we have to go through. But since this list is like it's yours and you own it, it's a lot easier to work with. That's all.
Yeah.
So look, man, if you want, we can get on a call. We'll set this up for you. We'll tell you what's the cost involved. It's pretty much a setup fee for us. And then you just pay for like the minutes, like, if the AI call 100 minutes, you just pay as you go. It's really it's an as you go payment from there. The more you call, the more it charges you. But it's charged by AI minutes and it's pretty simple. We, they book one listing, book one appraisal, or book one home opening, you make your money back. It's really just that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, I'm happy to book a meeting and talk about those next steps.
Yeah, sure. Do you have, you free this afternoon or?
No, I'm about to shoot off some open homes.
What time work best for you? I'm more of the afternoon and evening because a lot of real estate agents they talk with us after they serving all their clients, so we're free around afternoon and evening.
Yeah. Tuesday evening or afternoon would be good.
You can't do in the next like 24, 48 hours. You can do like next one today.
Tuesday's all I can do.
What time? Sorry.
Any time after 4 o'clock. So between 4 and 7 I can do on Tuesday.
Yeah, let's do Tuesday 5 p.m. just to be safe.
Tuesday 5? Yep.
5 p.m. Victoria time, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'll lock that in. You should get email confirmations, and we'll go from there. All right.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thanks, man. Have a good one. Bye.
You too. Bye.
What are we doing? I think he's a medium size with 4 killers. We're gonna be doing 2K setup plus 2K setup plus maybe 297 if he doesn't need too much management, and we'll make money on the SMS and the rebuilding after.